It is possible to start a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera, which is a terrific method to share knowledge, produce video, and gain subscribers. The procedures to creating a YouTube channel without using your real name are as follows. 1. Pick a niche. The first step in setting up a YouTube channel anonymously is to pick a niche. It might have to do with food, travel, technology, or lifestyle. You'll need to write a script if you're not going to be on camera to assist direct your content. Prepare your speech in advance by writing it down and practicing reading it aloud in a friendly manner. Use screen recording software. A screen recording software program can be used to produce videos without revealing your face. You can do this to capture what's happening on your computer screen as you browse through various websites or programs. Use animations. You can add graphics and animations to your movies to make them more captivating and intriguing. Think about illustrating your points with animated charts, infographics, and title animations. Use video editing software to add any animations, graphics, or stock footage you may have utilized after recording your recordings. Use voiceover. As a final option, you can record your voice for the video and read the written script aloud. To get crystal clear sounds, use a decent microphone. 2. Sponsorship. Although it can be difficult, getting sponsors for an anonymous YouTube channel is not impossible. It's crucial to have a specific process in place to draw potential sponsors, as many anonymous YouTubers who produce high-quality material have succeeded in obtaining sponsorships with respected businesses. Here are some pointers for obtaining sponsorship with an anonymous YouTube channel. Provide top-notch content. Producing top-notch material is the first step in obtaining sponsorship. The more quality your material is, the more probable it is that advertisers will want to partner with you. Make an effort to produce educational, entertaining, and visually appealing videos for your viewers. Create a devoted following. Attracting sponsors requires a large and active audience. The more viewers you have, the more appealing you are to potential sponsors. By engaging with your visitors in the comments section, holding contests, and producing regular, high-quality content, you can concentrate on developing a devoted following. Pitch your channel. Be sure to promote your channel in a credible and professional way when contacting potential sponsors. Explain how your channel may assist their brand in reaching a bigger audience while highlighting your accomplishments and distinctive selling propositions. Provide value. Offering value to potential sponsors is crucial. Build sponsorship packages with a range of advantages, including access to your audience, social media shoutouts, and sponsored articles. The greater the value you can provide, the more probable it is that sponsors will cooperate with you. Finally, obtaining sponsorship with a nameless YouTube channel demands a clear plan, commitment, and hard effort. You can get the sponsorships you need to grow your channel by producing high-quality content, gaining a devoted audience, finding possible advertisers, pitching your channel, and providing value. 3. Advertisements revenue. It's the same as collecting money for any other YouTube channel to watch ads on a Faceless channel. The steps you must do in order to monetize your Faceless channel with advertisements are as follows. Enable monetization. The first step is to make your YouTube channel monetizable. You can accomplish this by visiting your channel settings and turning on monetization. Moreover, you must accept YouTube's monetization conditions. Fulfill the prerequisites. Your channel must fulfill the minimal standards for YouTube's partner program in order to be eligible for monetization. This involves having 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers during the last 12 months. Join the YouTube Partner Program. You can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program once your channel satisfies the conditions. With the help of this application, you may monetize your videos with advertising and gain access to additional services for revenue generation, such as channel memberships, Super Chat, and others. After enrolling in the service, you must permit advertisements on your videos. Going to your video manager and choosing the monetization option for each video will accomplish this. Adjust your ad settings, such as the kinds of advertising that display on your videos and where they appear. You can also manage your ad settings. Also, you can change the choices for ad targeting and ad frequency. In conclusion, earning money from advertising on an anonymous YouTube channel is done in the same way that it is done on other YouTube channels. You can begin monetizing your nameless YouTube channel and making money by enabling monetization, fulfilling the prerequisites, enrolling in the YouTube Partner Program, enabling advertisements on your videos, controlling your ad settings, and generating income. 4. Selling digital products. Using a faceless YouTube channel to sell digital goods can be a good method to monetize your material and bring in a consistent flow of cash. You can use the following procedures to market digital goods on your YouTube channel. Choose a product. Choosing the digital product you wish to sell is the first step. This can take the form of a software application, membership program, booklet, or course. Make sure it fits your niche and the interests of your target audience. Create a sales page. In order to sell your digital product, you must set up a sales page where you may highlight its features, advantages, and cost. You can create a personalized sales page using a website builder like WordPress or a platform like Gumroad Sells or Sendell. You can advertise your product on your YouTube channel after setting up your sales page. You can make films that showcase your product's advantages, demonstrate its functionality, or give viewers a peek inside. Provide a link to your sales page in the description of your video. In order for viewers to quickly find your sales page and buy your goods, be sure to add a link to it in the description of your videos. Use annotations to lead viewers to your sales page. You can use annotations in your videos to do this. Annotations are text overlays that are clickable and show up on your videos. They can be used for links or more information. 5. Doing brand deals. Develop your audience. You need a sizable following if you want to draw in brands. Make sure to consistently engage with your audience by producing high-quality material that speaks to them. Make a pitch. When contacting businesses, you need to make a pitch that emphasizes your area of expertise, your target market, your level of engagement, and your prior brand partnerships, if any. Focus on the advantages you can provide the brand and how you can aid them in achieving their objectives. Negotiate the agreement. After the brand expresses interest, you must negotiate the agreement. Discussing the budget, the deliverables, the timetable, and any other specifics may be necessary. After the agreement has been reached, you must generate the material. Be sure to adhere to the brand's requirements, advertise their product or service, and draw attention to the advantages for your audience. Once the material has been produced, it needs to be promoted on your YouTube channel and other social media sites. Inspire customers to interact with the brand and offer feedback. After the brand deal is finished, check in with the brand to see if they were satisfied with the outcomes. By doing this, you may strengthen your relationship with the company over time and improve your prospects of landing more business. Determining your niche and developing a sizable audience are prerequisites for negotiating brand deals on an anonymous YouTube channel. You also need to create content, promote it, and follow up after approaching brands and negotiating the deal. These techniques can help you monetize your YouTube channel and work with companies that share your interests and values. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.